What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to do a powerful meditation to help you get over your anxiety and bring peace and harmony into your life. And, I came up here to the mountains here in Las Vegas. I was practicing and reviewing some material for an upcoming event I have. And my intuition said, hey, find somewhere to make a meditation while I'm out in nature, experiencing the peace and harmony myself. And so if you're somebody who has watched my previous hypnosis videos, there's going to be a button for you to skip ahead. If this is your first time, I recommend liking the video. That way it's in your liked history, so you can go back and listen to this again and again. And also save the video so that you can, again, listen to it over and over. Now, when it comes to anxiety is all about thinking about future events going wrong, or we're thinking of worst case scenarios. Maybe it's social anxiety and you're thinking about being in a group and things being awkward or weird. Maybe it's anxiety about a presentation that you're doing or a date that you're going on. And so when we start to project these negative images in our mind, we begin to experience the negative emotions as if we were actually experiencing that in real life. Remember, our subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's actually happening in real life and the thoughts that are going on in our mind. So what we're going to be doing in this session is discovering what's causing you anxiety, the images that you're seeing, what you're hearing, and how you're feeling. And then we're going to swap those images for empowering images of confidence, of charisma, and all the powerful things that help you bring in that peace and harmony into your life. So if you are listening to this video, make sure that your phone is on Do Not Disturb and you're somewhere quiet where you will not be interrupted. Last thing you want is somebody calls you or texts you and interrupts the session. Make sure you're not driving or operating any heavy equipment. And if you have headphones, it will help improve this experience. And if you don't, it'll still work on speaker. And then if you have any gum or anything like that, go ahead and spit it out now. And I always recommend sitting at a 45 degrees or 90-degree angle. If you lay down flat, you may fall asleep, and we don't want you to sleep during the hypnosis meditation. We just want you to go into that trance-like state. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do it now. Pause the video, and let's dive in. And again, one more reminder, hit the like button. And actually, if you could for me, comment below what you're feeling anxious about, how you're feeling now, okay? Because after the video, I want you to comment how you're feeling instead. So go ahead and take a moment, pause the video, comment what you're feeling anxious about. So that way we can come back after, and I want you to give me some feedback on how you feel instead. All right, so pause the video, do that now, and let's dive in. So I want you to start this meditation with your eyes open. And I want you to pick a spot that's 45 degrees above eye level to focus on. And as you focus on that spot, you feel yourself now go into trance. And as you feel yourself now go into trance, you become present in this moment. That's right. And just remember, any other background sounds you hear other than the sound of my voice will just be a cue for you to go even deeper into trance. That's right. Keep your eyes focused on that spot, bringing your awareness to this present moment. Go ahead and take a long, deep breath in and hold it for a few seconds. Keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it. And as you breathe out, go ahead and close your eyes and go all the way down, all the way down. As you're sitting there, listening to my voice with your eyes closed, breathing in and out of your lungs, Your subconscious mind is now open to the affirmations of peace and harmony. When we feel stress, worry, and anxiety, it will show up in our body. You may be experiencing tension in your forehead, in your face, in your jaw, in your neck. Just go ahead and relax all the muscles in your face, your forehead, your jaw, your neck. That's right. And we often carry our stress in our upper back and in our shoulders. So just go ahead and let your shoulders drop down, all the way down. That's right. Bringing your awareness to the top of your back. As you slowly move down, just relax all the muscles into your back. Feel as though you're sinking in to wherever you're sitting, allowing that sensation of relaxation to flow down your lower back. That's right. Just let go. Let go. Bring your awareness to your upper chest. Just letting your chest muscles completely relax. All the way down into your stomach, into your legs, down into your calves, your feet, your toes. Relax. That's right. Now I want you to think about whatever you've been feeling anxious about, whatever worries, whatever stresses that have been on your mind. And as you begin to think about the stresses, the anxieties, the worries of life, I want you to notice what images come to your mind. Notice the internal dialogue, the things that you say to yourself, and the external sounds that you hear, the stress, the anxiety, and the worry. And as you allow yourself to bring these images and sounds to your mind, I want you to notice how you feel and where you feel these feelings of anxiety in your body. That's right. Now, in a moment, not yet, we're going to take a long, deep breath in. And when we breathe out, I want you to release all the feelings of stress, of anxiety, of the worry out of your body. And as you do, I want you to imagine that the images that are in your mind are beginning to wash away. Wash away. So go ahead and take a long, deep breath in all the way down into your stomach, into your chest, and hold it. And as you breathe out, release all the negative emotions, all the stress and all the worry. That's right. And allow those images to simply wash away. Wash away. Wash away. If there's still any leftover feelings, go ahead and take another long, deep breath in and hold it for a few seconds. Not yet. In a moment, when you breathe out, I want you to slowly breathe out and push out any of the remaining negative emotions and anxieties as you imagine those images and sounds disappearing. Go ahead and slowly breathe out and fully releasing all negative emotions. And allow yourself to feel this sense of calmness, of peace, and harmony. I want you to think about the event you have coming up, whatever you were previously anxious about. And I want you to see it in a whole new way. Imagine you have successfully completed whatever it is that you're going to do. See yourself accomplishing what you have set out to accomplish. Allow yourself to smile from ear to ear, knowing you are a success. Notice the images in your mind. See yourself as confident, as powerful, charismatic, while simultaneously integrating that groundedness, the feeling of peace, of calm and serenity. Notice your internal dialogue is empowering. Say to yourself, I am a success. I trust myself and know I'm in alignment with my best and highest future. And as you imagine these images of successful completion of this event, you hear the internal dialogue saying, I am a success. I did it. Hear the sounds externally reinforcing the feelings of calmness, of peace, of harmony. And as you listen to what you hear inside, as you listen to what you hear outside, as you see the successful completion, the accomplishment, knowing you are a success, I want you to now feel the confidence, the sense of accomplishment. Now feel at peace. And take this moment of silence to align your frequency to create this in your life. Take this moment of silence right now. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And when I count to 5, your eyes will open. You'll be fully alert, feeling fantastic in every way, knowing deep down within yourself, these few moments in hypnosis have been truly very successful for you. 1, you announce inspiration to yourself and others. 2, you have a strong sense of certainty and wonderful feelings of looking ahead. 3, feeling and knowing your time here today has been one of the best investments of your life. 4, looking forward to your new future. And 5, eyes open, fully alert, feeling fantastic in every way. If you're feeling a sense of calm, a sense of peace and harmony, do me a huge favor, hit that like button And also, do me another favor, pause this video in a second and comment how you feel now instead. Comment what the shift was for you and what you're projecting in your future outcome. And by you commenting, it's going to help affirm and cement these thoughts and these feelings into the subconscious mind. Wonderful. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you're like, you know what, Dom, I would love to have more confidence, more charisma in every aspect of my life. You're a business owner, you're a sales professional, and you really want to take it to the next level. There's going to be a link down in the description for you to book a free assessment with one of my certified hypnotherapists to see if you and I are a good fit to work together, or you and somebody on my team. And if you feel called to help others or even learn these principles of hypnosis so that you can self-heal and also you can help others, there's going to be a link down in the description to get access to my free hypnosis training. All right, guys, so subscribe to the channel, tap in with the links down below. We'll see you in the next video.